Stewy and Emery are going to the Blue Cave and Our Lady of the Rocks Church by speedboat today. We are anchored in the Bay of Kotor on the Adriatic Sea. The scenery all around the ship is absolutely spectacular, and the bay is lined with beautiful medieval towns. Since we have time, we thought we would do a quick walking tour of the upper levels of the ship. Since we are anchored out, all those going ashore must take small boats called tenders. This process can take a while, and you are grouped and issued tickets. Waiting until your group is called keeps things orderly. We are just waiting for the initial groups to leave, and then we'll go ashore, as our excursion is later in the morning. After the speedboat trip, we will visit the medieval town of Kotor for some sightseeing, shopping, and dining. Please join us on our adventure today in Kotor, Montenegro.
This is the very back of the ship, the stern. It's wonderful. We come out here and have our
favorite spot.
Breakfast. A full bar. They have a buffet, a scaled down buffet back here than compared to the regular buffet. But it's just wonderful. It's peaceful. Everything. Last night we were here.
Yep, after a long day, sitting
Long
having
day.
some drinks.
And when we were pulling out and the sun was setting, it was really a nice experience. All right, so let's keep going, and we're going to go inside, and then we're going to go down. We have to find our tender. All right, we're tendering out. This means these little boats take us from where we're in anchor in the middle of the bay to the shore. It's such an adorable town. It's incredible. So right now, I guess we're going through some sort of customs. No, we don't have to do that, I doubt. Okay, let's go find Sea Dog Tours.
Yeah.
Cruise boats right here. I mean the port of Kotor, Montenegro. Nice. So these people must be getting on one of these.
I know, look at this old fort.
Oh, this is great. These towns are incredible. Hustling and bustling like crazy, but man.
Oh man, is that beautiful?
Look at that. That's beautiful. So we have about 45 minutes is what he said.
Yeah, well, we'll still get there.
But
a little before
what we're in
12.
need of is Band-Aids because we both have blisters on our feet because we've averaged 6 miles a day of walking, which for us is way beyond what we would normally do.
Well, we can go to that little shopping
We're going to
center.
go find a little shopping center and maybe Band-Aids or any other.
Oh, something like that.
There's our market we're trying to get to. It's a non-stop stream of traffic, and believe me, so far,
there's a crosswalk right there.
in these countries, there is no slack for pedestrians at all.
How pretty it is with the magnolia trees.
Oh yeah, they're huge. Look at this. It's, I think it's a Lamborghini SUV. Yeah, look at that.
Wow.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, these walkways are so beautiful. Trees. Oh my gosh.
Yep, see, they stop for you in the
Okay,
crosswalk.
good. Yeah, the pedestrians just go for it. You notice that?
Yep.
So we can't be timid Americans. We have to go for it also.
Right.
So we'll let a few cars go by. Let the other locals shield us. Shopping center, right there.
Yeah, let's go there. That's more food.
Yeah, we made it.
Yeah.
Here we are at the Camellia Market. Nice. Oh, cool. Okay. Now we're talking.
Yeah.
Shopping mall. I wonder if there's like a pharmacy.
Oh, yeah. It's better.
Better? So Stewy wants to get some flip-flops. Now, backstory, it's taken me years to convince her that flip-flops are the way to go.
These are Skechers.
Skechers that you like. Hi. Okay, I'm up front. Stewy's in the back. Well, we've got a good spot, I think.
Yep.
He said there's less splashing back up here than back in the back. Wrong. You guys gonna go swimming once we get to the thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We brought the local and back. We want to.
The Blue Cave is a massive rock cave with iridescent blue water, a natural wonder nestled along the rugged coastline in Montenegro. The Blue Cave gets its name from the sun's rays entering the cave through an underwater opening and reflecting off the limestone walls.
Inside the Blue Caves, we just got wind blown.
Yeah, because it was a crazy ride.
On a jet boat, which was fantastic, actually.
Speedboat.
Speedboat, yeah.
But yeah, we're inside, and
inside the Blue Cave.
our other crew members, passengers, got to swim in here, which is a treat.
Right.
Depends on how many people there
outside,
are.
Right.
And yeah, everyone's so excited. Now they get to go swim outside all they want, so that's fun. But yeah, this is great.
This is fun, yeah.
And so vicariously, we were enjoying it through them.
Right. We took all the pictures for them and videos for them while they were in the water.
Yeah, because we're going into town right after this, and we didn't want to have soggy bottoms, so. All right.
See you later.
Well, we'll wait till we go outside.
Okay.
But the same, you can see how that be. This tunnel is deep 50 meters. Inside. All this what you see, people walking together. Not machine.
Our Lady of the Rocks is one of the 2 islets off the coast of Parast in the Bay of Kotor. It is an artificial island that was created by the piling up of rocks and by sinking old ships loaded with rocks. There is a Roman Catholic church here with a museum attached. There is also a small gift shop and a navigation light at the western end.
I must say, Stewy, we just got off a pretty frantic boat ride.
Yes.
Wow, that was crazy.
I know.
But it was worth going to the Blue Cave.
Yeah.
But, you know, Kotor is absolutely beautiful.
Yes, it is.
And Split was beautiful, and you keep telling me Dubrovnik's going to be more beautiful tomorrow.
Yep.
So I'm really impressed and happy. But right now, we know what we need. Liquid refreshments.
Yeah.
Did we get any Kotor postcards?
Yes, we did.
We did. Where?
When at the mall.
Oh yeah.
We got
Okay. Right.
Shoes.
Yeah. So I love all these old forts. Look at that. They still have the Soviet star on there. 1944. We're in where the arrow is.
Okay.
So we got to kind of go towards the left.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, look at that. Holy crap. Well, we're going to kind of head left. Everyone says we're going west.
Slippery.
Kotor is one of the best preserved medieval old towns on the Adriatic. It is surrounded by fortifications built during the Venetian period. We think it's one of the most beautiful old towns we have seen.
We're in the old town. We've bought some t-shirts and stuff.
Yeah.
And now we have found this cutest little place. Switch the camera around.
Right, because it's the wood beams and those stone walls.
Right, we're drinking
within the old town.
local beer. There it is, right there. It's delicious, isn't it? Man, it's good.
And it's cold.